The question of the universe's cause leads us inexorably to what I have termed the necessary existent. This is a being whose existence is not contingent on anything else and whose essence necessitates existence itself. Without such a necessary existent, we are left in an infinite regress of causes, which is logically untenable. Therefore, this necessary existent is the ultimate cause, eternal and uncaused. This conclusion arises not from faith alone, but from rational inquiry. The contingent beings we observe, stars, planets, and living things, depend on causes external to themselves. But the chain of causality must terminate in something non-contingent. This entity, by its nature, provides the foundation for all existence. I look forward to discussing how this principle aligns with and transcends empirical observations.
Thank you. As a scientist, I approach the universe as something to be understood through observation, experimentation, and reason. While Ibn Sina's arguments are philosophically compelling, the empirical method of modern science reveals a different path. We know the universe began in a singular event approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang. This event marked the emergence of space, time, matter, and energy. The cause of the Big Bang is a profound question, but invoking a necessary existent assumes a conclusion we cannot yet test or verify. Science thrives on the boundaries of the unknown. For example, quantum mechanics suggests that particles can spontaneously appear without an apparent cause. While the universe's origin remains a mystery, exploring it through physics and cosmology might reveal answers that align more with natural phenomena than metaphysical necessity.
Dr. Tyson, your depiction of the Big Bang aligns well with the observable cosmos, but it does not eliminate the philosophical necessity of a first cause. Even if quantum events seem uncaused, they occur within the framework of laws and principles, laws that themselves require explanation. The necessary existent I describe is not an assumption, but a rational conclusion from the impossibility of infinite regress. Imagine an endless series of dominoes falling. Without a first domino, none could fall. Similarly, even the Big Bang's energy and laws must ultimately depend on an uncaused cause. To claim otherwise is to argue that existence emerged from pure non-existence, which is rationally incoherent.
Your domino analogy is thought-provoking, but the premise of an uncaused cause assumes our intuition about causality applies universally, yet the universe's origin lies outside our everyday experience. Quantum mechanics, for example, defies classical logic, showing that causality, in the traditional sense, may not apply to the quantum vacuum. Moreover, when we say we don't know the universe's ultimate cause, that's not a weakness, it's a strength. It means we're open to exploring new frameworks, such as multiverse theories, that might explain our universe as a product of larger, natural phenomena. To attribute it to a metaphysical being risks halting inquiry prematurely.
Dr. Tyson, I commend your pursuit of knowledge. Yet even quantum mechanics operates within a framework, a contingent reality requiring explanation. If there exists a multiverse, it too must be grounded in something necessary and non-contingent. The necessary existent transcends physical laws and frameworks, providing the ultimate foundation for all being. Your method seeks answers within the contingent, yet the very intelligibility of the cosmos, its mathematical precision, its coherence, points to a reality beyond mere randomness. This is not an abandonment of inquiry, but its culmination. Reason demands we acknowledge a source beyond the physical.
I appreciate your rigor, Ibn Sina, but invoking a necessary existent assumes properties we can't observe or measure. The universe's mathematical precision may stem from inherent properties of nature, not a metaphysical cause. And while infinite regress seems philosophically troubling, it's not necessarily problematic in physics. Concepts like eternal inflation suggest that what we perceive as the beginning of our universe might be one stage in a vast, perhaps infinite, chain of events. Science thrives by seeking answers incrementally, not by appealing to conclusions beyond empirical verification.
The pursuit of knowledge leads us inevitably to the metaphysical, for empirical inquiry cannot account for the very act of existence itself. The necessary existent is not merely a philosophical construct, but the rational culmination of seeking the ultimate cause. Without it, the universe lacks a foundation. I urge that science and philosophy must work together, for truth is a unity, transcending both observation and reason.
Science is a journey, not a destination. The cause of the universe may well remain a mystery for centuries, but that's the beauty of the unknown. It propels us to question, experiment, and discover. While philosophical arguments like Ibn Sina's provide food for thought, the empirical method seeks answers grounded in observation. Our search is not hindered by uncertainty, but enriched by it.